Today we are going to discuss where can we manage probation settings in Zimyo HRMS. Let's get started with the navigation. First, log in on your Zimyo HRMS portal using your login credentials. This will take you to your dashboard. Then go to the organization option and go to the configurations and click on probation settings, and you will redirect to probation settings, and here you will see all the configuration options. Here you can change probation period and notice period in probation. Change the toggle of auto trigger probation feedback form. And change the notify person on submission of probation feedback form. And here you can send reminder emails for upcoming probation completion. Or turn on probation completion reminder to employee and probation extension. Change the notify person and set mail reminder on probation confirmation and notify person. Here you can configure probation feedback form and set mail reminder on probation confirmation and change it as per your requirement. And it was successfully updated.